Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to compare ClickUp, Notion and Trello, three of the most popular productivity tools used by teams and individuals around the world. I'll compare their features, pricing, user experience, integrations, customer support and more. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which platform is the right choice. First off, let me give you a quick overview of these platforms. ClickUp is designed as a complete all-in-one productivity solution. It combines task management, docs, time tracking, whiteboards, goals, and dashboards all within a single platform. It's built for teams that need serious flexibility and customization. Notion started as a note-taking app, but has evolved into a powerful workspace where you can manage tasks, wikis, databases, and more. It's known for its beautiful interface and flexibility in organizing information. Trello, on the other hand, keeps things simple. It's a Kanban-style task management tool that's easy to use, great for visual thinkers, and ideal for teams that want a lightweight project tracker without extra complexity. Now, let's talk about features. ClickUp packs in a ton of functionality. You get everything from task lists, Gantt charts, mind maps, and docs to workload views, time tracking, and automation, all tightly integrated. Notion takes a different approach by letting you build workspaces out of building blocks like pages, databases, calendars, and boards. You can customize everything from the ground up, but some project management features like task dependencies or workload tracking require more manual setup or integrations. Trello focuses on simplicity. You use boards, lists, and cards to track tasks, and while power-ups expand its functionality, it still remains one of the simplest tools in this space. When it comes to user experience, Trello wins on ease of use. Its interface is clean, minimal, and intuitive. You can get started within minutes. Notion also offers a beautiful experience and is super flexible, though it takes some time to master how to structure things effectively. ClickUp is packed with options, which can be a bit overwhelming at first. However, once you get used to it, you get far more power and control than either Notion or Trello. Next up, integrations. ClickUp integrates with Slack, Zoom, Google Workspace, GitHub, and over 1,000 tools through Zapier. Notion now supports native integrations and API access, but it still requires some workarounds for deeper workflows. Trello supports many third-party apps through power-ups, and it works well with tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Jira, but its integration depth depends heavily on which plan you're using. Now let's talk pricing. ClickUp offers a free forever plan, unlimited at $10 per user per month, business at $19 per user per month, and an enterprise plan with custom pricing. Notion also has a free plan, plus at $10 per user per month, business at $18 per user per month, and enterprise with custom pricing. Trello also offers a free plan, standard at $5 per user per month, premium at $10, and enterprise at $17.50 per user per month. So, which platform should you choose? If you need a robust all-in-one platform that can handle everything from project management to document collaboration, ClickUp is the way to go. If you prefer a highly flexible, clean workspace for wikis, notes, and lightweight project tracking, Notion is a fantastic choice. But if you just want a simple visual tool for managing tasks with your team, Trello still holds up as one of the most user-friendly solutions out there. Alright, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.